everyone, welcome back to the KashyapTechITBrothers. So this is the part 17 of the SSIS tutorial. So in this we will going to be see about the topic creating SSIS package and about the conditional split and what is the use of conditional split in SSIS. So the conditional split transformation can route data row to different output depending on the content of the data. The implementation of the conditional split transformation is similar to a case decision structure if a programming language. So basically in a programming language we are using the if condition, if and else, like if uh, case 1 is true, then it will be so case 1, then otherwise case 2. So similar to this one also. So let's start with the practice. So first of all we will create one new project of SSIS. Click on the next, name the project and package meaningful name. Click on the create. Yeah, so our project has been created and we have automatically uh, created one SSIS. If you wanted to click you wanted new project, new SSIS, then you can click on the like SSIS package and then new SSIS package. You will see here it get created. Then please we will give the meaningful name conditional split. Okay, now let's first of all we have to take the data flow task. So let's take the data flow task, then go to the inner data flow. Now we required one source, okay, from where we will going to be fetch the data. So I have taken I will create new. So this is the my host name of the my system where my SQL server has been configured. Select the database, test the connection, click OK. Then I will take the table from where I am going to fetch the data, department table. That's all good. Click OK. Now I will explain you about the database, like what table and how we will going to be uh, do the testing. Yep. So basically this is the query where I have a data of like a group name having the total counts of 5. So basically I will do the practical on below two group name, like executive, general, administrator, and research and deployment. So this is the 5 row and this is the 4 rows. Okay, so basically I will make the condition on SSIS to fetch the data of this one and this one on case 1 and case 2. Okay, so let's start with the practical. Yeah, so let's drag and drop the conditional split components. I will merge it, okay, by precedence. Then then I wanted two destinations, so I will not going to be uh, drag and drop the OLEDB destination because I want to just test. Then I will take only like I will take multicast and like sorting. Then I will join here, then I will join here. So it's, yeah, so you can see it's showing some message like route data row to different output depending on the content of the data. Use conditional SSIS means like error handling is not supported by the component. So basically we have to, yeah, you can see here the error is also coming, like no rows will be sent to the error output. Okay, so first of all we have to configure the condition in conditional split. So I will take the group name equal, then I will take this one. Yep, and then in case 2 as well I will take this one. Yep, so case 1 case 2 has been configured. So basically uh, what will be what I'm doing basically, when I will map this multicast and sort to like data to transfer to destination on both the side, then it will I will select case 1 and case 2. By in a case 1, it will uh, it will transfer only this data like a 5 rows, and in second one it will go only 4 rows. So let's do this. So basically, when you drag and drop the precedent to the destination, it will ask for the output, which one output you wanted to select. Like we have given the condition like case 1. Okay, then you can see the case 1 is written here, and we got another precedence with the same color. So if you connect to him like in a sort, so it will again ask you about which one. So I will select case 2. Yeah, so case 1 and case 2. So let's sort the column properly. Click OK. Yep. So I will enable the data viewer for the testing purpose to see if the data is coming correctly or not. Okay, so let's run the package. Yep, so you can see uh-huh. One minute. You can see the 17 rows is coming from the uh, source, but by condition like what we have made the condition in a conditional split for the two group name, like first one this and second one this, to transfer 4 rows in case 1 and transfer the 4 rows in case 2. So on that basis, the 5 rows is transferring into the multicast and the 4 rows is transferring to the sort. Okay, so you can see case 1 data viewer have the 5 rows, and case 2 have the data rows is 4 rows. Okay, so yep, so hope you have understand about the conditional split, how it's work, and how we can set up the uh, like conditional split in SSIS package. So in next video we will going to be see error handling, because we have only 4 rows and remaining rows will be goes to the in error destination. Okay, so thank you so much.